I'm going to throw some words at you. जो आपके दिमाग में पहले आएगा बिना फिल्टर किए पहला रिस्पॉन्स प्लीज. ठीक है. भारत.
अखंड भारत.
स्टार्टअप.
सस्टेनेबल स्टार्टअप.
साइंस.
टू ब्रिंग ईज ऑफ लिविंग.
टेक्नोलॉजी.
टू जनरेट क्रिएटिविटी.
Instagram.
Don't have time for that.
All right. 2024 elections.
I think that PM Modi's hat-trick is itself a record.
All right. AI.
Yeah, the only thing to guard is that it doesn't take over the natural intelligence.
Okay. Influencers.
Many a time, many of the influencers, the so-called influencers, are themselves influenced.
I'd agree to that. Chai.
I prefer coffee.
Okay. Pension.
I think we have democratized the pension rules, particularly from the point of view of the women survivors of a pensioner, the daughters, the divorced daughters, etc.
That's an amazing initiative. But pension or productivity? Last question. Which should get a tech upgrade first?
Sorry?
Pension or productivity? Which one should get a
No,
tech upgrade?
I think we can't actually draw a line because we have a huge number of plus 60 now. They are retiring at the prime of their age. So we have to look at them not as someone who's actually retired, but as a very important section of society who have to be channelized in the making of new India. And that's why Prime Minister says that each one of us, each citizen is expected not to contribute to the making of Viksit Bharat. So also these, so we have a huge lot. So I think we can consider them as valuable as the younger population.